New communication standards are accelerating digitalization in the electronics industry. In PCB assembly lines, the Ethernet-based Hermes Standard is replacing the outdated SMEMA Standard. The Hermes Standard enables complete traceability, error reduction, and a higher level of automation. However, you can only make use of these advantages if the Hermes Standard is used consistently for all machines in an assembly line. Existing machines with SMEMA interface are an obstacle to achieve this consistent data flow thanks to the Hermes SMEMA Connect sensor app and a sensor integration machine. This challenge can be solved and integrated independent of the machine manufacturer. SMEMA signals are translated into Hermes messages. Thus, consistent data exchange between the machines is realized. Thanks to the extensive accessories, the sensor integration machine can be easily connected to the SMEMA interface. An intuitive web-based user interface enables easy configuration of a wide range of machine types. At the beginning of the placement line, identification sensors can be integrated and the red barcode passed on to the next machine via the Hermes interface. Transmission of the Hermes data is also ensured between Hermes-capable machines. Intelligent data processing provides options for automatic width adjustment. At the unloader, the red magazine ID is linked to the Hermes data, enabling end-to-end traceability. Vertical transmission of data to a higher-level IT system can be implemented based on customized IoT protocols or the IPC-CFX standard. As a provider of complete solutions, SICK is there to assist you as a partner on the path to fully automated digital factories. SICK ensures the sustainable use of your machines by retrofitting them quickly and easily with the Hermes Standard. Hermes SMEMA Connect. Implementation of the Hermes Standard made easy.